Hi, my name's Tony, and I'm going to teach you the basics of driving. First thing we're going to talk about here is defensive driving. And you always want to be alert, be aware of the other drivers that are on the road, because you never know what they're going to do. So defensive driving, more than anything, is watching out for what other people might do, be it the right thing or the wrong thing. And a lot of times it's the wrong thing. And if you can keep your eyes out for that and make sure you know what everyone else on the road is doing, then you can be a lot safer when you're driving. You always want to just, keep an eye on your mirrors, know if someone's coming up behind you, if someone's coming up in the lane next to you, and keep your distance from drivers in front of you, maintain a safe distance. A lot of people think that you're supposed to keep your hands at 10 and 2 while driving, which used to be the case in older cars, but newer cars with an airbag, you want to keep your hands a little bit lower on the steering wheel, because if that airbag deploys when you get into an accident, it can cause your arms to break if they are at 10 and 2. So you want to keep them a little bit lower so that the airbag will deploy above your arms.